Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and unplugging the headset. This reduces risk and prevents accidental damage. Once done, remove the mic or cable so you have clear access. Then, flip the ear cup and locate the visible screws. There are usually 3 or 4. Use a small Phillips driver to loosen them. Make sure to hold the cup to avoid drops. Place screws in a container to avoid loss, and gently use a plastic pry tool to separate the rim from the cup. Once the rim is open, you'll see clips and a speaker assembly. Note how clips align so reassembly is simple. Next, disconnect the small speaker cable. There's often a ribbon or snap connector, so you can fully lift the driver out. Be gentle, pull straight to avoid bending pins. Remove the foam pad and inner fabric cover to expose the housing. Inspect the foam and clips for wear, and if replacing cups, compare new parts to originals to ensure proper fit. You now position the driver back into its cavity and reconnect the cable. Once connected, test audio briefly to confirm functionality before sealing. If it sounds correct, align the rim clips and press them into place, then reinstall screws in a cross pattern to distribute pressure evenly. Do not over-tighten as that can strip threads. Finally, snap the outer padding back on. If you encounter no sound after reassembly, make sure the connector is fully seated and oriented.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.